To compare Apple Pay contactless payment, start by understanding what Apple Pay is. Apple Pay is a digital wallet service that allows users to make contactless payments using their Apple devices. First, check if your device is compatible with Apple Pay. This includes iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, and Mac. Ensure your device is updated to the latest operating system and that it supports contactless payments. Next, compare the setup process of Apple Pay with other contactless payment methods. To set up Apple Pay, open the Wallet app, tap the plus sign, and follow the prompts to add your credit or debit card. You may need to verify your card details with your bank. Now, consider the security features of Apple Pay. Apple Pay uses tokenization, which replaces your actual card number with a unique device account number. This provides an additional layer of security and protects your financial information. Compare the payment process of Apple Pay with other methods. To make a payment with Apple Pay, hold your device near the contactless reader. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, and wait for the confirmation. In terms of availability, Apple Pay is accepted at millions of merchants worldwide, including retail stores, restaurants, and online merchants. Compare this with other contactless payment methods to determine which one offers the most widespread acceptance. When comparing fees, note that Apple Pay does not charge users any fees for making transactions. However, your bank or card issuer may charge fees for certain transactions, such as international transactions or cash withdrawals. To get the most out of Apple Pay, consider the following best practices. Always keep your device and operating system up to date. Use a secure passcode or biometric authentication, and monitor your account activity regularly. By following these steps and considering these factors, you can make an informed comparison of Apple Pay contactless payment with other methods and determine which one best suits your needs.